keto low carb focaccia bread. Finally, I decided to upload this fantastic recipe. So I hope you are going to enjoy this one. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share and like. Keep watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm sure you are going to enjoy this fantastic keto recipe. I really love this keto focaccia bread recipe because it's so easy to make and it's so delicious, so soft. Oh my god. So try out this recipe and let me know in the comments. I really hope that you watch the video till the end. Really appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Share the video.